Hello there and welcome to Linux S2O, and in this video guide I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Edge web browser on Linux. So recently they have released the Linux version for Edge, and it is available through their Microsoft Edge Insider.com website, and currently it is under developer preview, so it will not have all the features and it may have some kind of bugs in it, but soon they will be releasing a beta version and a stable version, and it will be properly available to Linux. As of now, the build files are available for Debian and Ubuntu based distribution and for Red Hat based distributions. So most of you probably using a Debian or Ubuntu based distribution, but some of you may be using like Fedora, OpenSUSE, CentOS or Red Hat. Then you can download the .rpm file. This is Ubuntu, so I'm going to download the .dev file from here, and for that I can click on it, accept and download, and this should start to download the file from here. Click on the download now button and downloading will start. So after downloading the file, you can simply double click on it and it should open up in a software center. From here you can simply click on the install button and it will start to install. I'm going to use the command line to install this application. So for that, just open up the terminal and execute the installation command. So now to install a .dev file, you can type sudo debian package -i and the file name. Use the tab key to autocomplete the file name. Hit the enter, it will ask for the password, type in the password, and this should install the application in the system. If you want to know more about how to install different build files on different Linux distribution, check out this installation guide. So the installation has completed. Now I can simply minimize this window here and search for Microsoft Edge in my system. As you can see, it is saying Microsoft Edge and this is developer preview, so it has dev annotations there. You can see it is pretty smooth, and that is what I really like about Microsoft Edge browser. And the thing is that all these browsers are from the same root project, that is Chromium. So your Chrome browser, your Chromium browser, your Opera, Brave browser, all are from the Chromium project. So they have same features like the other web browsers, and they all support Chrome extension. So here we can simply select and deselect this option and click on get started. Here you can select a new tab page layout. For example, this will have news from the Microsoft. This will be focus. That means there will be nothing. And this will be inspirational. So I'm going to select this inspirational over here. I'm going to click on confirm. And as you can see, this is showing me some kind of tips related to the Microsoft Edge browser. So for example, welcome to Microsoft Edge for Linux. I can simply click on it and read it out if I want to. And I can simply search for any website just like any another web browser, for example DuckDuckGo, and here's the DuckDuckGo. Here we can go through the settings, and I can click on settings and you will find similar settings just like the other web browsers I mentioned earlier, but it will have a little bit spin-off related to the Windows, and which is really nice. I mean, they build their own edition of web browser and they should have some kind of tweaks over there. As I said, all the features will not be working. For example, the sync feature is not available as of now. So for example, if I click on this sign in button over here, this will not show me the login page because it is saying me like this feature is not available as of now. Of course, it will be coming soon. And here it is, the web browser. I'm going to use this web browser for around 2 to 3 weeks, and I will be making another video when the stable version will be released for the Linux, and then we will see what are the changes that they have made and why we should use this web browser on Linux. If you're someone who really don't like Microsoft, I mean, they are a software development company and their main goal is to provide a rich user experience to the users and to make profit. And there should not be any hatred about the Microsoft because they are doing some pretty good work and they are the platinum member of Linux Foundation. So they are really supporting the project. So I will be using this web browser, and let's see how it turns out. So that was it about this Microsoft Edge installation guide. And I shall catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.